Hello everyone. Today, I want to share my dream with you. I am a 6-year-old girl, and I dream of becoming a teacher. I've always liked watching teachers stand on the podium, sharing new and interesting things with students. Teachers teach us not only from books, but also how to be good people and love those around us. I love when the teacher tells fairy tales, making me feel like I'm in a magical world. I also enjoy math classes, and I feel happy when I solve problems. These moments make me love teaching even more. If I become a teacher, I want to share my knowledge and love with my students. I will work hard to be a good teacher, always listening and helping my students. I will try to make lessons fun and interesting so my students are always excited to come to class. I know that to be a good teacher, I need to study hard and keep trying. I will study well, train myself, and learn from experienced teachers to reach my dream. Thank you for listening. I hope with determination and effort, I can become the teacher I've always dreamed of being. Thank you.